with a rifle range. Hell yeah, brother. All right, we got day 4 in the pits. We're out here Medford drag strip. Got some really cool cars out here. Huge fan of this Falcon, even though it's got a Chevy engine in it, but this thing makes some power. Alright, Ben got some real bent wheel studs, cut them off, and ran some new ones in, so now we just got to toss the axle back in it, and Ben will be ready to go. We're back. People, we are in the lanes. Pass number 1. Might be a one and done today. We only need to turn in 1 slip. It's 8th mile again, so not gonna run it out in the quarter, but should be able to get a nice A to B pass here. Leaving everything the same. 3750 launch. About 2 pounds of boost. And then we got 8 pounds coming in hot. Should be able to make a lick. They say the track's good, so we'll see. All right, we got Ian LaRue, aka Womp Filter. Me and him are getting the line up. Should be a good race. He's faster than me, but we'll give her hell. All right. Got a nice looking track in front of us, so we should be all right. Yeah, baby. That was a good rip. I'm thinking that's a good rip. Picking up a lot of rocks. All right, so right lane. Don't worry about the reaction time. 60 foot. We got a 164. Went 756 at 93. So we're down about a mile an hour from our, from where I think we can be. So we'll check over the log, make sure it's making the same amount of boost, and yeah, as long as the track holds up and the rain's not, picking up, then we're probably gonna get out there and try and make another hit. Been deep 740s, so I'd love to see, another 740, but we'll see. All right, Ben. All right, Ben, stick her down. Let her eat, dude. $691. That ain't bad. Not bad for a first hit. All right. This is a good representation of these tires. Nice and sticky. Picking up some big old boulders right on the side. Pretty cool. All right, well, we're gonna call it today. 756. Not my best, not my worst. It's a rally. We're pretty secured in our spot that we're at. We're not going anywhere, so I don't really feel like racing it here is gonna be too big of a, I don't really think I can pick up a whole lot more, so we're just gonna switch her over, take advantage of getting done before 5 o'clock. It's only 12:30, and yeah, we'll be all right. So this is the last night with the cars. Oh, we got a Terminator, GTO. Very, very cool. Oh yeah. Tarp it up. All right, good morning. It is day 5, Redwood Rally, final day today. Waking up here. We got people getting the race cars fired up this morning in the parking lot. We're gonna have a good day of racing. Hopefully the track's gonna be all right. We're gonna turn it up. We're gonna see what we can do out in Redding drag strip. Let's go. For our first pass here at Redding, day 5. Last track, last passes of the event. We're hoping to beat a 7:43. If I can get an 8th mile in the 7:40s or even a 7:39, I'd be so stoked. But, you know, all I'm going to try to do today is get a good leave, run it out the back, and if I can get my leaves down, then I'll probably turn the boost up a little bit, just to really, the track's really good, and we're hoping we can get something handled. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Still bogged a little bit. Earplugs. Earplugs. Plug your ears. It blew that lady's hat off. I was like, what the heck just happened? And the exhaust. Yeah, the exhaust blew his hat sky high. Zoomies. Now we're talking. Here's Bodie, Street Outlaw. pass number 2. Everything seemed all right. We bogged off the line a little bit, and after looking through some data logs, I'm finding that I really got to have the RPMs a little bit above 4,000 in order to really ride the clutch out and not bog down. My fastest 8th mile I've ran is 743, and I didn't get the 60 foot on that, but I do have a data log from that pass. And what actually happened is I let off the button before slipping the clutch, so my RPMs went up to about 4,700, and they only came down to about 4,300, and it just rode out like crazy. And I've got a pound of pressure out of the tires, so I know it's gonna hook really well. We bumped the 2-step up to 4,500 to hopefully allow me to slip the clutch while still on the button. It helps me be consistent, but ultimately I think it's really gonna allow me to ride out of the 60 and just bang gears and see what it runs out the top end, because we haven't adjusted the boost. We're still running about 8 pounds, and we're gonna see what that does. All right. Damn, we got the damn Nova gasser next to me. The thing is rattling my entire car. I can't even hear if my car's on. I think I let out the clutch maybe a little too much again, just because it was shaking the tire a little bit, but you know, not the worst. I passed the other guy and I was flying. All right, let's see how we did. Still shook the tire a little bit, but I feel like it got out okay. You know, really just gotta, the guy in front of me's got his door open. So hey, that's a really good idea. Nice and breezy.
Runs it for today.
All right.
The entire trip. So
Here comes Ben and the Tempest. This is about to be the race of the day right here, folks.
return road.
Oh boy.
James.
Here we go. Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Oh, what? Wow! What a race! Good shit, Ben. All right, well that's gonna do it here. Me and the co-pilot finished, I think, in 7th out of 17 that finished, 22 started. So top 10 finish for both Enebo Racing participants. Couldn't ask for a better time. None of us, we hope we should be able to make it home. And you know, we got a lot of work to do. We learned a lot on the trip. Had so much fun racing at all these different tracks. You know, I've been pushing coolant into the damn overflow all week and even before, so I'm pretty sure we got a hurt head gasket somewhere. But you know, we worked on some suspension and just learning how to launch the car better. really getting her dialed in. But got some work to do, got some really exciting plans, but that's gonna wrap it up. Make sure to follow along, hit that like button down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay riffing.
Oh my gosh. Jesus. Why was there 4?
All right, we made it up to Medford. Gonna grab some In-N-Out. And there's a freaking car meet over in the Kohl's parking lot. Crazy. We'll probably roll through, but we ain't gonna stop. And we're not gonna two-step, because last time I did that, I got freaking stranded down in Magnafuel, so nothing, even though I was just sitting on the damn limiter for a while. Hello.